It's here, the newest phones from the parent company OPPO. Meet the Reno and Reno 10x Zoom. Reno is new to the smartphone world, however, it's already got good offerings for its first year. And today, we are taking a look at its two best devices. Starting with the Reno standard version, it's the premium mid-range phone from its family. It's a large phone with its 6.4 inches display, but unlike other mid-range phones, the Reno has an AMOLED screen, meaning colors are vibrant and rich with pure black levels. OPPO says it's capable of delivering HDR content, but we are still not sure if it works with Netflix. What's more is DCI-P30 color gamut that allows for the cinema standard color experience. The build combines a metal frame and glass to provide a premium yet slippery feel. We love the fact that the main cameras are flushed towards the frosted glass finish. In general, it feels solid, heavy, and sturdy in the hand. It's also not a thin phone at 9.1mm, so slapping a case on it will make it feel like a brick. Luckily, we have a headphone jack, but the dual SIM tray doesn't support expandable storage. Performance-wise, we have a Snapdragon 710 chipset in here. Although we would have wished for a newer Snapdragon 730, the 710 is still a capable daily driver. Sadly, OPPO decided to go with a smaller battery at 3765 mAh capacity. The reason for that? Well, this camera. This pop-up shark fin camera. It sports a 16-megapixel f2.0 wide sensor as well as a speaker grille. It also allows for a full-screen experience, relieving it from the notch madness. Sure, it doesn't look appealing from photos, but when you get to use it in actual, it's an amusing piece of tech. We expect this type of camera implementation to be a bit sturdier because of the fewer moving parts. And just like OnePlus 7 Pro's pop-up camera, it retracts fast when it detects free-fall motion. As for the main sensors, it has your typical flagship Sony sensor, the 48-megapixel f1.7 wide lens with the addition of a 5-megapixel f2.4 lens. And like any other OPPO cameras, it comes with all the AI capability that you can think of. The Reno comes in ocean green, jet black, nebula purple, pink mist, and coral orange. We do expect 2 to 3 colors to arrive locally. As for pricing, it's up for pre-order already for 26,990 pesos. Moving into the flagship category, we have the Reno 10x Zoom. Holding this flagship phone is literally like holding the standard Reno, except for the fact that it's heavier at 210 grams. It's also ever so slightly thicker at 9.3mm. If you're wondering why, it's because of the larger 6.6-inch display. Also, you get a mirror-like finish on the back. Since you are expected to spend more, you are also getting more. For one, you have the latest Snapdragon 855 flagship chipset. And while it goes up to 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, you do have the option to expand that via its hybrid dual SIM tray. Of course, you also get a total flagship camera experience. Similar to the Huawei P30 Pro, the Reno 10x Zoom comes with a periscope lens. It adds a 13-megapixel f3.0 sensor that allows for up to 5x optical zoom with optical image stabilization. For what it's worth, it goes up to 60x digital zoom. OPPO also swapped out the depth sensor for an 8-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide sensor. And last but not least is your 48-megapixel main sensor. While you do get the benefit of a stereo speaker setup, you do lose the ability to connect your wired headphones. And as for the rest, the 4065 mAh battery supports 20 watts Volt flash charging. The Reno 10x Zoom comes in 3 colors: green, black, and pink. Since there's no word yet of its official pricing, just to give you a benchmark, the base model of 6GB and 128GB starts at 3,999 Chinese yuan, or roughly 30,000 pesos when converted. What do you think of this hands-on video? Let us know in the comment section. As always, visit manilashakers.com for the latest tech news and reviews.